Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to put promo codes on Prizepicks. So first, what is a Prizepicks referral code? So a Prizepicks referral code is a way to earn money in your account by referring others to become Prizepicks members. It's just one of the many ways we show appreciation to our valued members for helping grow our community. Just like sports, Prizepicks is more fun when you play with friends. Prizepicks referral codes are an easy way to send out invitations to friends, family, or whoever you think would love our daily fantasy sports games like you do. Referral codes are easy to send and use so our members can help grow the game and share the fun quickly and easily. So is the Prizepicks promo code the same as the referral code? The referral code and Prizepicks promo code are actually two different things. When signing up to become a member, we also offer the Prizepicks promo code Playbook, which allows new members to receive a 100 first-time deposit match up to $100. So don't sweat it. Even if you don't have a referral code, all new members are eligible to receive the 100% deposit match up to $100 with Prizepicks promo code Playbook. Is there a referral bonus if I get my friends to sign up? Yes, you'll receive an automatic $25 every time someone who signs up with your invite code completes his or her first deposit. We want to spread love and spread the game, so when our members help us, we always return the favor. The more people who use your referral code, the more referral bonuses you can earn. Where can you find your referral code? You can access your referral code by clicking the Get $25 tab found on the toolbar along the bottom of your app, or you can just use this link right here. If you have any trouble finding your Prizepicks referral code, don't hesitate to reach out to our member support team. How can my referral code be used? When a new member signs up, they will be prompted to put a referral code in the field marked promo code. The code must be input accurately and completely, including the PR at the beginning, in order for you to receive your $25 referral bonus. My friend used my referral code but I didn't receive a bonus. Why? The most common reasons for not receiving our referral bonus are: your referral has not completed their first deposit yet. Number 2, your referral did not enter the code or entered it incorrectly. So always ensure the steps are followed correctly and the referral code is entered accurately. For any other doubts about referral bonuses, please contact their customer support team. So to input the promo code, what you want to do is just click on sign up and then enter your email and then input the promo code right here. So enter your friend's promo code or use Prizepicks referral code, which was Playbook. So and then you are done. So that's pretty much it on how to put promo codes in Prizepicks. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.